Imagine you were standing high up on a rugged mountain hundreds of years ago. The wind is howling, the air is crisp, and a solitary shepherd is watching over his flock. He does not have a pharmacy nearby. He does not have doctors, hospitals, or modern medicine. Yet, despite the harsh weather and the intense physical labor, he is strong, healthy, and full of energy. How did people like him survive and thrive? They relied on the deep, powerful secrets of the earth. They knew exactly which plants to pick to heal their bodies and protect their families. Today, we are going to talk about one of their greatest allies. It is a humble, green plant with feathery leaves and tiny yellow flowers that smells faintly like licorice. It is called fennel. For centuries, fennel was the absolute best friend of shepherds and farmers, used to preserve and restore health in ways that seem almost magical today. But it is not magic. It is pure, natural science. Today, you are going to discover the incredible health benefits of fennel, how this ancient plant can become your ultimate natural digestion remedy, and how you can use it right now to heal your body from the inside out.
Let us start by talking about the biggest problem so many of us face today, our digestion. How many times have you finished a delicious meal only to feel completely miserable 30 minutes later? Your stomach blows up like a balloon, you feel heavy, and those sharp, stabbing cramps make you want to curl up in bed. You feel like your digestive system is fighting against you. This happens because the food we eat today is often highly processed, and our stressful lives make our stomachs tight and nervous. When your stomach is stressed, it cannot break down food properly, leading to trapped gas and severe pain. But this is where the shepherd's secret comes to the rescue. Fennel is fundamentally known as one of the greatest digestive aids on the planet. Think of fennel as a gentle, warm massage for your stomach and intestines. When you consume it, it goes straight to work, relaxing the tight muscles in your digestive tract.
According to the botanical reference text 103 Hierbas Medicinales, fennel is a powerful antispasmodic and carminative plant, which means it specifically prevents and favors the expulsion of trapped gases in your stomach and intestines. It literally stops the spasms that cause you so much agony. When you drink a warm cup of fennel tea, the essential oils in the seeds travel down your throat and immediately start calming the nervous walls of your gut. The trapped air is gently released, the swelling goes down, and you can finally breathe easily again. It is incredibly effective for treating diarrhea, colic, and chronic difficult digestion. You do not need to suffer in silence or rely on artificial chemicals that only mask the problem. By simply chewing a few seeds or drinking its tea, you are turning off the alarm bells in your stomach, just like the farmers did when they needed quick relief after a heavy, rustic meal. But the healing power of fennel does not stop in your stomach. It travels up into your chest, targeting your respiratory health. Have you ever had a cold that just would not go away? You know that feeling when your chest is heavy, your throat is scratchy, and you cannot stop coughing. Your lungs feel like they are filled with thick, stubborn glue, and breathing becomes exhausting. Our ancestors faced freezing winters and harsh conditions, so they needed a powerful way to clear their lungs. Fennel was their go-to medicine for respiratory health. According to the Guía de Medicina Natural by Carlos Cozel, boiling fennel seeds in milk or water creates a potent remedy that fights asthma, severe coughs, and deep bronchial obstructions. Imagine fennel as a natural broom for your lungs. When you drink the warm liquid, or even when you inhale the steam from a pot of boiling fennel seeds, the active oils enter your respiratory system. These oils are expectorants. They attach themselves to the thick mucus that is blocking your airways, breaking it down and making it thin and watery. Suddenly, that stubborn glue in your chest starts to loosen up. You can easily cough it out, and your airways open up wide. Carlos Cozel also notes that fennel oil is exceptionally good for treating severe vomiting and whooping cough in children. It acts as a soothing balm for a sore, irritated throat. Whenever you feel a cold coming on, or if you are struggling to take a deep, clear breath,
This simple seed can help you breathe freely and deeply again, filling your body with the vital oxygen it needs to heal. Now, I want to share with you a truly fascinating story from ancient times regarding your eyes. If you stare at screens all day, your eyes probably get red, tired, and dry. Hundreds of years ago, people obviously did not have computer screens, but they suffered from eye infections and poor vision caused by dust, wind, and glaring sunlight. The ancient shepherds noticed something incredible in the wild. According to historical texts like Pliny and medieval pharmacology, there was a widespread belief that when snakes shed their skin, they would eat or rub against fennel to restore their vision, which became blurry during the shedding process. Because of this observation in nature, humans started using it for their own eye health.
While the snake story is a wonderful legend, the practical application is entirely real. Ancient people and medieval doctors prescribed fennel seeds to improve vision and cure eye conditions. They would make a gentle, cool tea from the seeds and use it as an eye wash. If you have irritated, puffy, or tired eyes, you can recreate this ancient practice. By soaking a clean cotton pad in cooled fennel tea and placing it over your closed eyelids, you are delivering mild, natural anti-inflammatory properties right to the source of the irritation. The redness fades, the swelling goes down, and your eyes feel incredibly refreshed. It is like giving your tired eyes a cool, calming drink of water after a long, exhausting day. Let us dive deeper into your body and look at your internal filters, your liver and your kidneys. Think of your liver and kidneys as the oil filter and air filter in a car. Their job is to trap all the dirt, toxins, and waste so the engine can run smoothly. But over time, these filters get clogged. When your internal filters are dirty, you feel sluggish, your skin looks dull, and you might experience joint pain or mysterious headaches. Your body desperately needs a deep clean. Fennel is one of nature's most effective detoxifiers. According to the natural medicine texts, fennel possesses highly diuretic properties that purify the blood and deeply cleanse the liver and kidneys. When you make fennel a regular part of your routine, it acts like a premium soap for your internal organs. Because it is a powerful diuretic, it encourages your body to flush out excess water and the trapped toxins floating in your bloodstream. It strengthens the lungs, kidneys, liver, bladder, and stomach all at once. If you often wake up feeling bloated with swollen fingers or puffy ankles, it means your body is holding on to wastewater. Fennel gently signals your kidneys to release that water. As the water leaves your body, it takes the bad toxins with it. You will notice that your energy levels skyrocket, your skin clears up, and that heavy, sluggish feeling completely disappears. You are literally washing your body from the inside, restoring the pure, vibrant health you are meant to have. This plant is so gentle and harmonious with the human body that it is also a miraculous ally for mothers and babies. If you know a mother with a newborn, you know the absolute terror and exhaustion of a baby with colic. The baby cries for hours, pulling their tiny legs up to their chest in pain because their digestive system is still developing and filling with painful gas. Many modern medicines are too harsh for a tiny infant, but fennel has been safely used for generations. According to botanical data, fennel promotes and favors the production of breast milk. When a nursing mother drinks fennel tea, not only does her milk supply increase, but the soothing, anti-gas properties of the plant pass through the milk directly to the baby. It calms the baby's stomach, stops the painful spasms, and brings peace and quiet back to the home. It is a profound example of how nature provides exactly what we need, exactly when we need it, in the safest way possible. So, how can you easily bring the magic of this ancient plant into your modern life? It is incredibly simple and costs almost nothing. You can find fennel seeds in almost any grocery store or local market. To make the ultimate healing tea, simply take 1 teaspoon of lightly crushed fennel seeds and pour a cup of boiling water over them. Let it sit and steep for about 10 minutes. You want the water to turn a beautiful, pale golden color. Drink this warm liquid about 20 minutes after a heavy meal. You will feel its relaxing effects almost instantly. If you are in a rush and do not have time for tea, you can simply take a small pinch of the raw seeds and chew them thoroughly. As you chew, the seeds release their sweet aromatic oils directly into your mouth, freshening your breath and sending digestive juices straight to your stomach. It is time we start remembering the wisdom of the shepherds and farmers. We have become so disconnected from the earth, relying on quick chemical fixes that often cause more side effects than the original problem. We have forgotten that our bodies evolved alongside these plants. Fennel is not just a spice, it is a profound medicine that has stood the test of time. Whether you want to stop stomach cramps, boost your respiratory health, detoxify your liver, or just feel lighter and more energetic every single day, this humble green plant is ready to help you. You do not need a complicated, expensive routine to feel better. You just need to look back at the simple, rustic remedies that kept our ancestors strong.
You hold the power to heal your body, and that power starts with the choices you make every single day. Nature has provided the tools. All you have to do is use them. Subscribe so you don't miss the next video, where we will uncover more lost secrets of natural healing. Have you ever tried drinking fennel tea after a big meal? Let me know your experience in the comments below. Click the video on your screen right now to discover the hidden dangers of modern cooking oils and what you should be using instead. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, true health is always rooted in nature.